we are in a situation when we have 2 games left in the group phase of the campaign that we have everything to play for, and that's where we want to be. That's where the players want to be, and that's where Wales football wants to be. And it is a great position to be in, and we just have to cherish it, and again, not to get carried away of the occasion or the event, but just to keep looking after the simple things in our own performance and in our own game. It's a big game against England always, but in particular in this campaign. But that's exactly how we're looking at it. It's just one of the qualification games. She's a fantastic captain, and I've got to say that really pleased to have her back. She wasn't available for Scotland, but I think it was very sensible thing to do because her schedule has been very challenging. And from team's point of view, it's good that she's coming back. She's already in UK, back in Wales, and will be fresh for the big game against England. The first thing is that we'll be working on the highly professional approach on the camp and everything that involves there. And the other thing is that we keep a lot of contact between the camps. We make sure that we know what each and every one of us is doing. And then again, it is also important that everyone understands the responsibility of the fact that we are in this together and we're working together. We are working for each other. We have to dare to dream. And then, of course, it is important that there's time to dream and then there's time to work and play. And now the time is to work and play, and we've got 2 big games. So we stay focused now on those next 2 games, and whatever happens after that is going to be bonus. But we are focusing now on that football side. And also the players who have been playing, they have kept on performing. We've been able to reach that right level of consistency in the performances, and that's been one of the key things.